More control of the MessageDlg. The MessageDlg function is very useful because it handles all word wrapping of the message and handles positioning of the buttons. But two different needs for a non-default behavoir of the MessageDlg made me explore the source code of the Dialogs unit. This article originally appeared on www.undu.com. First, I needed a modal dialog box that would close when a key was pressed and report back what key was pressed. Much like the TurboPascal commands if key pressed then the key equals READKEY. Second, I needed to control which of the buttons in the dialog was default. If you have a MessageDlg asking do you really want to delete the file, then having the yes button as default, which is the standard in MessageDlg, could create problems for the much too eager user. The Dialogs unit has a function called CreateMessageDialog which is used by MessageDlg to make the dialog. By using CreateMessageDialog directly you get the best of MessageDlg, word wrapping and other automatic design elements. Plus you get more control of the behavior of the dialog. Below is shown my solution to the two needs. Create a new application. Put two buttons and a label on the form. Assign the onClick event of button 1 to tform1. Button 1 click and assign the onClick event of button 2 to tform2. Button 2 click. Clicking button 1 will now produce a dialog that closes when the user presses one of the legal keys or when the user presses ESC or clicks the close icon. The key that was pressed will be shown in label 1. Clicking button 2 will show a standard message dialog with one difference: the No button is default, not the Yes button. To find the No button I use if T button, controls N, name equals no. Substitute no with yes to all, abort or any of the other button captions to make a button default. Unit 1, interface uses Windows, messages, sysutils, classes, graphics, controls, forms, dialogs, stdctrls, type tform1 equals class, tform, button 1, tbutton, label 1, tlabel, button 2, tbutton, procedure button 1 click, sender, tobject, procedure help box key press, sender, tobject, var key, char, procedure button 2 click, sender, tobject, private declarations public declarations end, var form 1, tform 1, implementation $r*dfm var legal keys, string, procedure. tform1. Button 1 click, sender, tobject, var string, begin legal keys equals ABC 123, s equals what do you want to do now? Plus hashtag 13 plus a. Go home plus number 13 plus b eat lunch equals hashtag 13 plus c sleep plus number 13 plus 1. Program in Delphi and number 13 plus 2. Order a pizza and number 13 plus 3. Nothing, with CreateMessageDialog, empty confirmation, do begin try on key press equals help box key press, if show modal equals MROK then label 1. Caption equals you pressed, plus legal keys tag else label 1. Caption equals you pressed, plus cancel, finally free, and, / try finally and, / with end, procedure T form 1. Help box key press, sender, T object, var key, char, begin if POS, uppercase, key, legal keys, 0 then begin T form, sender, tag equals POS, uppercase, key, legal keys, T form, sender, modal result equals MROK, and else if key equals hashtag 27 then T form, sender, modal result equals MR cancel, and, procedure T form 1. Button to click, sender, T object, var n integer, begin with CreateMessageDialog, do you really want to delete the file? MT warning MB yes MB no, do begin for n equals 0 to control count 1 do if, controls n is T button, then if T button, controls n, name equals no then T button, controls n, table writer equals 0, show modal, and.